more than 3,300 square meters. More than half of it is glass and less than half is aluminum panels.
367 tons. Whoa. Well, we're going to take a sneak peek inside the Icon of the Seas new Aqua Dome right after this. Hey guys, it's Mike from Cruise Red Adventures here, and I'm back again with another cruise news vlog. And today we're going to be taking a sneak peek into Royal Caribbean's new Icon of the Seas Aqua Dome. And that's Royal Caribbean's newest ship, of course. It's basically under completing the sea trials and finishing touches right now. But they will be sailing out of Miami on our inaugural cruise January 27th of this coming year, 2024. And before we take a look at that sneak peek that Royal Caribbean just put out, let's take a look at some quick facts. Now, the Icon of the Seas will boast 20 total decks. It will have over 2,300 crew members. It'll have 2,800 staterooms, accommodate around 5,600 guests, 7 pools, 9 whirlpools, 6 water slides, and it will have 8 unique neighborhoods, including the Aqua Dome, Central Park, Chill Island, Royal Promenade, Surfside, Sweet Neighborhood, the Hideaway, and Thrill Island. Now, Royal Caribbean just recently released a kind of a teaser video on their YouTube channel about the Aqua Dome, and so let's check out that clip, and then afterwards I'll give my thoughts on it and summarize it. And so let's go ahead and check it out right here.
Aqua Dome will be the jewel at the front of the ship. It is experiential, it's exploratory, it is everything that we've ever wanted to create, which will feature the largest aqua theater we've ever built. We really wanted to have an equal balance of complimentary dining and specialty dining and a few different types of bars.
And I think it's been an amazing journey for so many of the engineers and architects and designers that we were able to produce this. I mean, I think it's testimony to the innovation and creativity of the teams.
Well, all right, guys, that looks pretty exciting to me. I don't know about you, but that looks like it's going to be a really cool space to check out. I myself am not booked on the Icon of the Seas. It was a little bit too pricey for my blood. So I will probably have to wait a year or two down the road to check it out. But just looking at that little video, it looks like it's going to be a pretty cool space. And how it looks to me is they kind of took a little bit from the Oasis class with the Aqua Theater. And if you're familiar with the Quantum class, they have that solarium area all the way up forward, up top of the ship with the glass windows and everything. So it kind of looks like they took the solarium concept for Quantum and married it up with the Aqua Theater from Oasis. And of course, they mixed in some specialty dining options, some other eating options, some bars. So it looks like it's going to be a really cool, socializing kind of space where you can hang out, grab a bite to eat, grab a drink, hang out with friends and family, catch a show. Those glass windows, I'm sure, are gonna lend some very awesome views. But that's my initial thoughts on it. So let me know what you think. Are you excited about the Icon of the Seas coming out? Are you into the mega ships? Do you think this is too much, too big? And what did you think about this Aqua Dome concept? Let me know all that in the comments, and I'll go ahead and wrap it up, guys. And as always, if you like this video, like this kind of content, consider hitting the thumbs up on the way out. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It's absolutely free, helps the channel grow, helps push the message out to the masses. And I'll go ahead and say goodbye. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're enjoying whatever it is you're doing. And I will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.